Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of KOKO in Naija. My name is Nosal Keotins. We're going on the streets of Lagos to ask people about age limits. What age limit should be placed on who wants to be the president of Nigeria? Whoever who is aspiring to become the president of Nigeria, should there be an age limit? Once you're at a particular age, you should forget even having an ambition for that position. Just go home, retire, go and sleep. Or while some people are arguing, age shouldn't be a factor because you can't buy experience in the market. And if you have someone who is smart enough at whatever age, that person should be able to give enough to and just get the right kind of people around him that will work for him and get the right things done. So I won't be the one talking about this. It's going to be Nigerians, Lagosians who are going to give their opinion on what they think the age limit for whoever wants to be the president of Nigeria should be. So we're going on the street. It is KOKO in Naija. Still on the streets of Lagos, I'm speaking with Lagosians. And we're talking about, the KOKO in Nigeria is all about politics. And here today with me, I'm going to be speaking with
Mr. Paulson Oko.
Mr. Paulson Oko, thank you for joining me. So I just want to ask you a few questions. What do you about, currently this year is all about electioneering. Yes. They are preparing for 2023 elections. And we have some people who have declared their intention to run for president in Nigeria. But my first question to you will be, what age limit do you think should be on those who will run for presidency in this country?
Thank you very much. There should be no age limit.
Okay.
No limitation by age. If you are capable, if the person is experienced, no problem.
Okay. Whoever who is capable and experienced.
Is capable and is experienced is welcome.
So you think somebody who is around the age of 80, if the person comes out, go ahead?
If he has that experience, it's not the only one that's going to do the job. He has some other assistants, some people who will work with him. He can put down his programs. You, minister for this, minister, this is your job, this is what you do.
Okay. So
it's not going to be like someone who is going to the farm to till.
Okay.
So, 80, no matter
the age. So my question I'll ask you is, are you comfortable with the current situation of the economy of the country with an experienced and elder statesman in power at the moment, someone like President Muhammadu Buhari?
No. The economy is bad. It's worst.
But he's an old man. I thought you said experience.
Experience matters a lot. Being an old man, he doesn't get that experience.
Oh. Okay, being an old man doesn't determine experience.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Age doesn't determine the experience.
Okay.
A boy of 40 can even be more experienced than a man of 100 years.
In a particular position.
In a particular field of endeavor.
That's very insightful. That's very, very insightful. Thank you very much, sir. Still on the streets of Lagos, and with me here is
Matthias.
All right, Matthias. I know you've heard and you know Nigeria is preparing for the election come 2023, and some persons have declared their intention to run for president in this country. What a lot of youths are saying is they want the youth to take over power, and these people who have been there for years are still the ones who are still coming out to contest for power. I just want to ask you a simple question, which is, do you think there should be an age limit for those who contest for the role of president in Nigeria?
Yes. As for me, the age limit, it shouldn't be more than 60 years.
It shouldn't be more than 60 years?
Yes.
Well, we have at least 3 people who have already shown interest, and they are all above the age of 60. We know the vice president, they are saying he wants to contest, is 65. Bola Ahmed Tinubu has declared his intention, is 69. Atiku, who has been is 72. All of these people, are you not saying they are not qualified to be president of Nigeria?
They are not qualified at all.
They are not qualified. Why? On what ground?
They are not qualified. We need the youth to take over from them.
You need the youth to take over from them?
Yes.
So what did you said you want the age limit to be what then?
60. Shouldn't be more than 60 years.
So anybody who is above 60 should forget it?
You should forget about it.
We don't need them?
Yes. They should go home and rest.
Thank you very much, Matthias.
I am not saying anything. I am not.
No, we are about to express an opinion. That opinion.
This is our country. We don't follow the youth opinion. So far as our president has come out and said, the youth, I'm still a youth. We are lazy. So no need of even, because apart from we talking here, he's on a seat that they've gathered. He's inside their office. They've made who will be our president. If we like it or not, we'll just queue on a hot sun. At the end of the day, nothing. Who they will choose those are the people that they will bring out for to be president. They don't actually follow our votes.
Yeah, still on the streets of Lagos, and with me, who's going to share our own opinion on what she thinks the age limit of who wants to be the president of Nigeria should be. Kí lorúkọ yín mà?
Omolara.
Omolara, all right. Mrs. Omolara?
Oyebola.
Okay, Omolara Oyebola. My name is Lawrence Nosal Keotins from KOKO TV. We're covering the show KOKO in Naija. It's a political show. So, nǹkan mo fẹ́ bèèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni, kí lẹ rò pé age limit ẹni tó bá fẹ́ di president Nigeria kí ni kó jẹ́?
Bóyá
láti dé ọmọ ọdún mélòó kó má lọ mọ́?
bóyá tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bí 60 60 sì wà òkè, tó bá ti tó bí 80 or 90.
80 90. Bọ̀ kò tí sẹ́ni tó jẹ́ 80 tó jẹ́ president Nigeria rí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a mọ̀ pé kò tí ì sí, èmi kàn ń sọ pé tó bá ti dé bí 80 or kíní kó má lọ mọ́ ni.
What nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ sọ ní pé from the age of 60 is allowed. But mi ò sọ pé age tó kọ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ, age tó yẹ kó ti dá dúró, kó ti dúró ni, kó má lọ mọ́ ni tó bá ti dé age kó má lọ mọ́.
Bí 70 ti wà òkè.
Tó bá ti dé 70 kó má lọ mọ́.
Kó má lọ mọ́, tó bá ti dé 70.
Bọ̀ ṣé mi ké àwọn èèyàn tó yẹ pé wọ́n ti young jù bẹ́ẹ̀ gan lọ ti di president ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n ò dẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa náà. Ṣé age wa ó determine ẹni tó máa ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa ni àbí kò determine? Age
kọ́ ló determine, Ọlọ́run nìkan lọ́ba tó mọ ntẹ́nìkan. Nítorí mi sá mọ̀ pé tó bá máa rọ̀ wá lọ́rùn, tó máa fi wá lọ́kàn balẹ̀, tá a máa nífọ̀kànbalẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. Ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù, nǹkan tèmi fẹ́ kó wà nìyẹn, kébi má pa wá, kíyà má jẹ wá mọ́. Ìyà yìí ti pọ̀ jù, kò sówó ń ta, ebi ń pẹ́ everybody. Ọmọ skul gan kò rí skul lọ torí owó, ọjà lápàtẹ́ kalẹ̀ látàárọ̀, ìyá rẹ̀ ni yàwájú èéfín ló ń fin wáyé. So yẹ ká máa fẹ́ èéfín by this age, kò yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Ẹni tó máa túlù ṣe ń là ń fẹ́, kọ́lọ́n bá láàánú kó gbà fún wa bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá ń bá wa tún Nàìjíríà ṣe ni kọ́lọ́n bá wa gbé sórí ẹ̀, kò bá jẹ́ youth, kò bá jẹ́ àgbàlagbà, kọ́lọ́n sáà ti ṣe wọ́n lẹ́ni tó máa tún Nàìjíríà ṣe. Káwọn náà dẹ̀ máa joyè ọ̀jẹ̀lú, òṣèlú ni kán jẹ́, torí ọ̀jẹ̀lú ò dáa, òṣèlú ó máa tún náwó ẹ̀ síta fún mẹ̀kúnnù ni. Kán máa joyè ọ̀jẹ̀lú, òṣèlú ni kán ṣe, kán bá wa tún Nàìjíríà ṣe.
So still on the streets of Lagos, my name is Nosal Keotin. As you know, your favorite political anchor on the air gives you the best political show you get on a steady. With me today on the street is... What's your name, sir?
Laisi Agbaje.
Laisi Agbaje. Are you related?
Agbaje ni mo fẹ́ sọ fún ẹ, mo kọ orí ẹ̀ wúlò. Màá sòótọ́.
So
nǹkan tẹ́ máa jẹlẹ̀ ń bá káàkiri báyìí, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ yá pàdé kan tó jẹ wá.
Àmín.
Ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń sọ láìsí àgbàlagbà ọ̀dọ́ kan ò lè ṣèlú. Àgbàlagbà kí wà lọ́jà kó rí ọmọ tó ń wọ́. Tẹ́ bá ní kí 50 ṣe kò lè rí ṣe. Ẹ lọ kọ́lẹ̀. Àwọn tó ti ṣe ìlú rí náà máa pè. Àdúrà ní ká má bọ́ sí ọwọ́ ẹni tí ò dáa. Bó járúgbó ló máa wà ń bẹ̀. Tá a ṣe dáadáa. Ṣèbí Jákàndé ṣe tiẹ̀ dáadáa. Àwọn Ọbásanjọ́ náà ṣe tiẹ̀ dáadáa. Àdánù kan jọpọ́n káwọn àfẹ́ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ president Nàìjíríà. Tọ́lọ́n bá dẹ̀ ní Tinubu náà ní déédéé tó máa rọ̀ wá lọ́rùn. Bó jẹ́ Ọ̀ṣínbàjò ló máa wà ń bẹ̀, ó rọ̀ wá lọ́rùn. Bó dẹ̀ jẹ́ Fáṣọlá ni mo mọ̀ pé young guy tó ní ọpọlọ torí ẹ̀ pé tó ń ládẹ̀ bá rẹ̀ mí ẹ̀.
Kí ni age tẹ̀rọ pé age àwọn ọdún mélòó tó bá ti dé age kó máa lọ mọ́ fún president?
Ọ̀rọ̀ mi lè sọ pé kẹ́nìkan máa lọ torí ó lè kàn mí náà lẹ́yìn ọ̀la. Tí ẹnìkan bá ní age kan báyìí nìkan máa irọ́. Ẹni tó máa wà ń bẹ̀ tọ́lọ́ máa lò fún wa là ń fẹ́. Ẹ bá ń sọ pé age kò lè rí ṣe. Ọmọ tí ò tí ì gbé korí tó náà fẹ́ gbé ó ṣòro rù gbọ́jà gbóní kíní bẹ́ẹ̀ rú bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó bá rù ọgàn wọ fún ẹ wà á wẹ̀ lọ́rùn láì ìṣẹ́jú 5. Inú funfun dórí ẹ̀ kílẹ̀ tó ṣú. Ṣé kan ní mo sọ ẹ̀ ń sìn pé arúgbó kan ní akínní kan bójá arúgbó lọ́lọ́run fún wa kó wà ń bẹ̀ kì í ṣe ẹni tí Ọlọ́run tí ò ní wo ti mẹ̀kúnnù. Agbọ́n kan lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yẹn sì sọ ọmọ kéékèèké tó ń tẹ̀ pọ̀ ọmọ ọdún 8, 10 tó ń ti ń rọ̀bù ṣọ́ọ̀bù ní Ìlọrin àdúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run àti irú ẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ṣùgbọ́n náà níjà rírú ẹ̀ bó jẹ́ anybody tó máa wà ń bẹ̀.
But àgbàlagbà lẹ́yìn tó wà lórí oyè báyìí Buhari is almost 80 at the age of 72 ló di president. kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ tẹ́ òun ò ṣe wá ṣé ìlú ó tẹ́yìn lọ́rùn bóyá wà báyìí.
kò tẹ́ anybody lọ́rùn.
kí ló tó òun ò ṣe wá rí ṣàgbàlagbà ni.
ìsàlẹ̀ wọn ní amúkùn bolẹ̀rù ẹ̀ ti wọ́ ó ní òkèlè onílẹ̀ ìwòsàlẹ̀ àwọn tó ń kó tira fúnra ara ẹ̀ àdánù kànjọpọ́n ti ń pa president ló fà á ó kó gbogbo àwọn fámìlì ẹ̀ wo ayé Ọbásanjọ́ ó pín ní ọ̀dọ́gbadọ́gba ní 100 to 100 ilẹ̀ Ìgbò 100 ilẹ̀ Yorùbá 100 Haúsá ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tó bá ti kó ẹlẹ́yà àti ẹnìkan sí olè ríjọba yẹn ṣe.
nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ nísìnyí pé àti ọmọ ẹni tó wá ti pé 80 o wá jẹ́ 90 pé òun ló máa túlù ṣe òun lẹ fẹ́. Hello guys and welcome to another soothing edition of the KOKO in Naija, and today we're on the streets of Lagos out here in Sabo Yaba, Lagos, where I'll be speaking with Nigerians on the street and what they think of the upcoming elections, the ranting and all of the raging conversations that is trending. Today with me here, my name is Losal Keotis, remember, and today with me,
Olatunji Oguntuase.
All right. So Mr. Olatunji, so ẹ mọ̀ ń pa gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ politics, election ọdún yìí bọ́yẹ̀ ń prepare for election tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ next year. Àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá kọ́dẹ̀ ti dìde tó yẹ kí àwọn politician tó yẹ kí àwọn fẹ́ díje ipò president. But lọ́dọ̀ tẹ̀yìn nǹkan mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni pé kí ni age tẹ́ wí pé òun ni age tẹ́ anybody tó bá fẹ́ contest fún president ni age tẹ́ anybody 65 àbí 70 àbí ẹni tó bá ti tẹ́ iye age yìí o kó má contest mọ́ fún president.
Nǹkan tèmi rí sí pé at least téèyàn bá ti wà ní age of 60-65 ó yìí lè contest because téèyàn bá ti above 70 bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn àwọn ọpọlọ wọn lè má gbé gbogbo nǹkan tí ó bá ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
And it's been an exciting edition again at the KOKO in Naija. I had fun, talking politics can be fun. It doesn't have to always be serious. But yeah, we can actually make sense out of whatever people are saying, be it their personal opinion or even facts. So we went on the streets of Lagos today and we did ask people what they think the age limit of whoever wants to be the president of Nigeria should be. And people gave their opinion. Some people said they want it nothing higher than anyone above 60 should forget having a reason to run for the role of presidency. Or some people said 70, while some people said there should be no age limit to whoever wants to be president of Nigeria. You're allowed to run so far you can do the right job and you have the right kind of people around you and you have the capacity to do what's right. My name is Lawrence Nusal Keotins and this is KOKO in Naija and here on KOKO TV. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe on our channel. Come on, click the subscribe button. We give you premium content, like give you buzz content, be the politics and what have you. Please click subscribe, comment, let's hear your opinion and like or even dislike, all works. Please just do that and let's see and let's hear your own opinion. Let's see you engage with us. Thank you very much. It's Lawrence. Bye.